Team Forex Moguls, we are back again with another segment of ukufundisa ama-beginners especially about i-Forex. So, ngaphandle kokuthi ngiqale ngisafuna ukuthi ngiveze lesi sixwayiso lesi ukuthi wonke umuntu abe clear because ngike ngawenza ama-segment sinobafo kwawukuthi along the line kwaba nokuthi sangakwazi ukuthi siqedelele. So manje ngifisa ukuthi siqale phansi again so that abantu bazofollow ukuthi from the beginning until sifike kulesi stage lesokugcina. So number 1 asiwakhipha ama-signals bafethu, awekho ama-signals ka-Forex Moguls. Umuntu nje othi ukhona ama-signals awatholile akukho njalo, asiwenzi, yabo, asiwenzi. Number 2, akukho group ofakwa kuyona, awuyikho igroup ozoyithola ufakwa kuyona or wenza utholwa kuyona, because a lot of people ba-end up be-dissatisfied with regards to indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo ema-groupini, so umuntu ugcine confused. Number 3, siyafundisa kuphela. So mangithi siyafundisa kuphela, ngichaza nje strictly ukuthi ayikho indawo la uzofika khona kuthiwa kudingakala ukuthi ukhokhe, there's a fee. Ayikho i-fee, yabo. I-fee yakho nje iyodwa ukuthi nje wena ulalele le content and usubscribe, ucommente, ulike and actually engage kuyona le video le, yabo, as we are actually dipping in kwi-Forex, because that is the only thing right now esiyidingayo, yabo, ukuze sikwazi ukuthi senze izinto zenzeke. Number 4, asiyona i-financial advisor. Co-financial advisor, yonke into esiyenzayo la is based off i-experience esinayo nje for the past few years since i-Forex. And number 5, i-Forex is very risky, so uma ungena kuyona kuyadingakala ukuthi ube nolwazi, and which is one thing esiyenzayo right now. And i-broker esisebenzisayo ke bafethu, i-link i-down below, so make sure ukuthi uyaklikha, uyaregister, and then you follow us in all ama-socials kuma-platforms. So without wasting isikhathi, isihloko sethu sokuqala is actually about iyini i-Forex trading. So kahle kahle leli gama elithi Forex, igama eli-abbreviated, ngamanye amazwi igama elishortenishiwe. Igama seliphelele lichaza ukuthi foreign exchange. NgokwesiZulu ke lokho kusho ukuthi ukuhwebelana kwezimali. So ilona kahle kahle igama elisetshenziswayo nje kwi-language ye-market. So kuyini ukuhwebelana kwezimali? Basically ila khona i-markets kusuke kukhona abantu ababhayayo nabaselayo ini ama-currencies. So iyona nje kahle kahle i-main thing about i-foreign exchange, ukuthi nje omunye usuke sell, omunye usuke buy. So lokho kubizwa as i-foreign exchange. Number 2, i-foreign exchange iyi-market enkulu emhlabeni, like nje when it comes to finances, iyona nto esuke ikherisha ama-millions ngama-millions, even billions ngama-billions, because kahle kahle ngosuku it is stated ukuthi kunama-volumes emali angango-6 trillion every day, cabanga, every day. And you imagine ukuthi wena ukuwina or ukuthi uyi-trade and gain i-profit mhlampe ya-100,000, it doesn't shift anything kwi-market. Akukho ukuthi mhlampe izo-collapse ngalo 100,000, because can you imagine u-6 trillion, trillion dollars, like ngosuku, ukuthi into engakanani leyo. So nje it's a very big market, yenye i-market nje eyaziwayo nje emhlabeni jikelele ukuthi yazini, this is a big market. And okwesithathu, ivulwa Monday to Friday, 24 hours. So ma ukuthi ngithi Monday to Friday, ngisuke ngichaza ukuthi ngoLesihlanu ngabo 12 iyavala. So Monday eyintatha, uqala iMonday eyintatha iyavula, but ngeke nga-advise-ke ukuthi abantu baqale ukutrade ngalezo yikhathi because iba very volatile, very volatile, and kungenzeka noma yini ngaleso sikhathi. Wena okwakho nje ukuchoose iy'khathi ey'right. Iy'khathi ey'right uLesihlanu uba right ngoba usuke mawukuthi-ke umuntu wama-fundamentals kusuke kuwukuthi kuba what is this thing called? I-NFP, which is indlela esuke ama-influences e-markets with regards to iy'ndaba asuke yenzakalayo. So loko mawukuthi umuntu wama-fundamental, you can take i-advantage of, you know what I'm saying? But nje technically uyakwazi ukwenza loko anytime of the day or during the night because nakhona kuyenzeka i-move yabo i-markets. So best days for fundamentals is Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. Thursday akuvamisile but kuyenzeka, but akuvamisile, maybe later yabo. Then number 4, ukuyi-accessa le market kulula. Ngamanye amazwi awudingi imali eziningi or awudingi imiliyoni, awudingi 100,000, even ngo $10 uyakwazi ukungena kule market utrade wenze leyo profit yakho uphinde withdraw. And it's very good ukuthi ama-brokers asinika leyo option bakithi. We are very much grateful because ngeke uzokwazi ukuzingenela laphayana if unganayo i-mediator which is i-broker yakho. Mawuziyela wena salufa ziyakhala lapha yabo, so you wouldn't cope. So njengoba ama-brokers asinikeza nkosi yami lokho okuncane, we truly appreciate that platform. And then number 5 ukuthi akufunakala ukuthi mawungena kwi-market ungene nje uclueless. Kumele kube nolwazi onakho because it's not a game of luck or magic, it's a game of knowledge. Angifuni uqamba manga nami ungangithatha isikhathi uku-understanda lokho ukuthi this is a game of knowledge. Akufani ne-gambling okufanele uve ufake imali nje uhope ukuthi hey Jesus lento meke angene ngelona yami nje ngiyawina. No, lana it takes ama-basics okufunda, thatha i-practice and nokumanage i-risk ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ube profitable. So nje that sums up ilona yethu i-forex trading. Let's go to the next the next slide. So our main content is isebenza kanjani i-forex trading? How does it work? So basically njengoba kade ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi you buy and sell i-currency. So it depends on you wena ukuthi ke i-setup yakhe kanjani nanolwazi lakho ukuthi likanjani yabo. So let's say uyabuka lapha i-setup imile yabo, setup imile uyabona ukuthi okay according to i-strategy sakho for ama-technicals uyabona ukuthi okay in the past few mhlambe 15 or an hour or so ibisuka ezansi iya phezulu iphinde isuke phezulu iye ezansi. So uyayibona i-opportunity ukuthi okay la ingase iphinde inyuke iye phezulu, so you take that opportunity ngalesi sikhathi sezansi and you buy it. Ngalesi sikhathi uyibhaya iyanyuka ya phezulu, that is how you make your profits. Same applies to selling. If ubona ukuthi ibiphezulu and ishona ezansi yaphinda yaphezulu, uyabona ukuthi there's an opportunity futhi ukuthi isuke phezulu yezansi. By the time isifika lapha phezulu you sell it, and by the time it goes down you make profits in that sense. Now if it doesn't go either way ngale ndlela engichaza ngayo, obviously you will lose imali yakho, you will lose your money. So obani-ke aba-trade i-forex according to i-industry as a whole. So into yokuqala-ke abantu abayi-trader i-forex amabhenki lamakhulu o-FNB, o-Standard, o-Capitec, they are inside kule nto. Ibona abantu ababizwa njengama-market makers, yabo, ama-market makers, abantu nje mfethu who are in the big leagues, abantu abaphatha ama-million, yabo. Nawe-ke as an individual, because nawe uyi-trade, uyakwazi ukuthi uyi-trade. And imali-ke depending on abantu abakhulu in the market. Let's say amabhenki mhlampe uCapitec uno 100 million, uFNB uno 200 million, mhlampe uNedbank uno 300 million. It's very vital ukuthi lo 300 million ama-actions akhe mewukuthi uyayibhaya, mhlampe he's buying in the markets, and laba abanye uthola ukuthi mhlampe usele lo oyedwa wa 150, and then lo munye futhi wa 100 waphindwa buy. So it means i-market is gonna push towards up rather than selling down. Umuntu ozoluza lapho imuphi lo sell down, because u300 no100 is huge than 150. You get what I'm saying? So loko kungaba ukulimala kwalelo bhenki elizobe liselile, because abantu abaningi they are buying, so the markets will eventually go up. Yayibona lona. So that is their power kahle kahle, not like ipower yabo nje ukuthi bayakwazi ukuyishintsha i-markets iye noma ngephi lapha afisa iye khona. Right, that's the second one. Number 3, uhlukanisa kanjani u-forex ne-stock markets? So njengoba kade ngichazile, i-forex guys ama-currencies which are influenced ini iy'ndaba nama-interest nama-economic events. Iy'ndaba ilokhu ukuthi mhlawumpe uTrump umile lapha novela wathi let's declare war in Iraq. Leyo nto leyo iyayimove i-markets, leyo nto iyayimova i-markets, and it's really bad. Yenza ukuthi i-markets nje inyakaza drastically, and wena as a trader uyalimala. That is the global news, and interest rates and economic events do. Ma-interest rates aya-contribute lapho nama-economic events, yabo. Mhlawumbe ukuthi manje lehlile irandi or linyukile, yonke leyo nto i-consista ngaphansi kwe-forex. Then i-stock markets, it's actually you as an individual or a company or whoever is interested kuma company, whereby you buy ama-shares, and whatever inkampani is experiencing, whether i-performance yayo iba yinhle or iba yimbi, you will actually gain or lose from there. So if the company price inyuka, obviously you will get dividends. Ma-dividends ikile mali le oyitholayo as a profits, according to terminology yakhona, is called dividends, yabo. So iyona ke i-difference ye-stock markets nelo. And then obvious, the main thing futhi, which is ama-risk. Guys, ama-risk they are very important. Ama-risk akwi-currency, they are very drastic, ngale ndlela ukuthi ashintsha ngesikhathi. Njengoba ngisho nje, mawukuthi khona i-spike la kuney'ndaba, yashintsha nje, ihamba noma ingakiphi. Like i-currency, i-risk yayo ileyo ukuthi nje i-fast, and nje it's very risky. And number 2, which is for umuntu osaqala-ke, umuntu osaqala ongayazi i-risk, ongakaze uyifunde i-risk management, uyalimala, imali yakho uyayiluza nje kanjalo. So nje it's very low, it's very important ukuthi u-understand. And the third thing ukuthi unfortunately sike saba nokunikezwa ke by MT504 or like i-MetaTrader ukuthi abantu abaqale ngedemo kuqala before beya kwini ku-invest imali yangempela. So that's why ama-demo were created, yabo. That's why ama-demo were created for the sake ukuthi abantu benze njani, bakwazi uku-understand aba-practice. And then the final thing obviously i-example. I-example into ebalulekile mawusufuna ukuqala, usuqala ke i-market, mawusufuna ukuyenza uyi-practice, udinga i-demo account. Okay, let me just go straight to Meta 5 la. Later, Meta 5. So mina ngivulile la just for the sake ukuthi nginikhombise. Ngivula i-demo la. So la ama-symbols akho, it's basically ama-currencies akho. Ngiyakwazi ukufaka gold nibani ke lokho ngikubuye nginitshengise on another time. Comment down below nje ukuthi mawuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi nginivezele, yabo, naloko it's suggestible. So into yenzayo la uMeta 5 ke usuwenza kwalula. Qala nje mfethu wawufanele uze ufike la ku insect. No, there was an option basically eceleni nayi, yabo, ye order le. Wawuklikha la qala. Mayithi kufanele uze la ivuleke la, uyabona nje kwakuba umdante, but manje sekukhona le ndawo is very good because uyasela or uyabuy. It's very easy, just click, yabo. So here you go to this one, Euro USD, which is la izovela la mo click ku GBP, udrag la uzoshintsha, yabo. But for now ake sisebenzise u-euro, drag la washintsha futhi. So what do you do? Depending on ulwazi onalo, yabo, depending on ulwazi onalo, uyayibuka i-chart ngendlela eyiyona. Mhlawumbe let's say uyabona la uthi okay nayi la i-support, musuka nje la kuya la i-support. So let's just say, because every time it comes to display, yabo, 1 2 3 4 isishaya kawu-4 lento. So it might be ukuthi nala izobuy. So mina ke ngoku-experience yami lokho ilo ngicabangayo right now. So you just buy, because ngiyaqala uyisebenzisa, I have to accept first, then you la unyusa i-lot size la, sinyusa i-lot size, bona ukuthi 10, yeah 10, yabo. Then click lana, kuwena ukuthi wenza amaloni amangakanani, because it's a demo, you're practicing, yabo. Then after that kunama-trade azovela la ama-trade akho, yabo, azovela la ama-trade akho. And then khona indawo la engifuna ukuthi ngiyiveze yokuthi it shows you the balance and i-flow yelona yakho here, ukuthi mayi-negative kanje izobe ichaza ukuthi it's going down, like it's against you. But mayiba blue, it means it's a positive. So it's going in your favor, yabo. So basically that is all engifuna ukuthi nginikhombise kona right now, guys. Make sure ukuthi you like, comment, subscribe. If ever kukhona onga-understandi kuloko esengikuchazile, comment it down below. Subscribe, like. Team Forex Moguls, let's get it bafowethu. Safe trading. And isixwayiso sami, I hope abantu bas-understandile in the beginning of the video. So danko.